Hello everyone, today we learn action verbs with sentences. Love, she loves to hug her teddy bear. Unplug, always unplug the iron after using it. Brush, the girl is brushing her teeth. Run, they are running for a marathon. Slide, the boy is sliding at the park. Comb, she combed her hair to make it neat and tidy. Sweep, the girl is sweeping the compound. Slice, my mommy is slicing vegetables. Laugh, the girls are laughing at jokes. Close, please close the door. Buy, the girl buys fruits from the market. Meditate, my friend is meditating. Open, she opened the door to welcome the guests. Mop, she is mopping the floor to clean up the spilled water. Forget, he often forgets to turn off the lights. Wash, the girl is washing clothes. Need, we need to buy some groceries. Care, she takes care of her pet dog. Cook, she is cooking delicious dinner for us. Work, he works as a doctor at a hospital. Push, the boy is pushing the swing. Study, he is studying for the upcoming exams. Learn, the girl is learning how to write. Smile, I like my teacher's smile. Climb, the boy is climbing the tree. Teach, she is teaching her students new vocabulary words. Give, please give me my textbooks. Spin, she made a spinning fan at home. Stretch, they stretch their body for best flexibility. Call, he is calling to his best friend. Ring, our office desk phone is ringing. Cry, she is crying because she lost her favorite toy. Play, they are playing outside. Listen, she is listening music. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone.